Hi everyone, my name is Trip Oliphant. I am currently living in Raleigh, North Carolina. I was born and raised in around Charlotte, North Carolina, um, and moved to Raleigh for my undergraduate degree at NC State University. I graduated in December, so just about a month ago, with my degree in animal science with a veterinary bioscience concentration. Um, some hobbies of mine are in my free time, I enjoy being with my dogs and taking um, one of mine to a dog park. The other doesn't really like it, but I have a French bulldog and a English bulldog. The Frenchie is she'll be a year next month, and the English bulldog is 9 years old. I'm currently applying to vet school, so that is why I need the course. It's a prerequisite for the vet schools that I applied to. I currently am interviewing with veterinary schools to hopefully be accepted, and I should know within the next few months. So I'm excited to see where the course goes. My occupation is I'm currently a full-time veterinary assistant at a clinic in Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina, which is about 20 to 25 minutes from where I live, so it's not too bad. I've been there for about a year and a half. My family still lives in my hometown, which is about 30 minutes from Charlotte. And yeah, I'm excited to see where the course goes. And if you guys want to get together and study, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.